I'm a mom and I'm an entrepreneur too. And this whole situation, I don't deny, is really challenging because I'm juggling all the time between childcare and work. And to be honest, childcare is taking 80% of my time and my energy. But nonetheless, I'm here and I keep on finding time and energy for my business, which is anyway my first child. If you are an entrepreneur and especially a mumpreneur in this moment, I bet you must really struggling with yourself about what to do. But I try to encourage you to carry on your work, carry on your business, and also carry on your style and image. Because especially if you have to do video content or connect with people with video calls, you want to look your best self. So I guess you are asking yourself the question how to do that. So how to change from mom style to work style to professional style in a snap. I don't know, when I have that hour window time, when my child is having a nap, or when he's eating and I have little time for a call. Well, once again, the answer to your question is organization. So, first of all, try to reorganize a little your wardrobe. What I mean is that think about this. In a video call or in a video content, the top side of your figure is what is going to the screen. So you don't really need to think about the whole outfit. All you need to do is to focus on this part of yourself, right? So somehow it's making the job a bit easier. And try to make two piles in your wardrobe of tops. Top that you use when you are with your child to stay at home, and tops that you use for work. Well, done that is already enough. So you know that when you have a call or you want to do a video content, you just go to the pile of tops that you want to wear to look great. The second tip that I give you is to try to, if you want to wear accessories with your tops, so like a scarf or maybe some earrings like I do, this is very personal. And also it depends on the kind of job that you do, but you can do that. So my great tip is to put together some outfits. Again, only considering tops and accessories that go on your face, on your neck, and take some pictures. So it's like a memory that you have, and whenever you have a video or a call, you don't really have to think about what to wear. You can just look at the picture, say, okay, I'm gonna wear this, and you can be ready in 1 minute. Well, this is everything for today. I hope you found this mumpreneur tip very useful. And of course, I'm here to help for everything. If you still want to invest in your style and your professional image, I want you to know that I've set up an online style service, which is absolutely affordable. So in case, if that's you, get in touch and let's chat.